Hi guys, Rocco the Puncher here. Today I want to show you how to change the bulbs on your Audi TT on the trunk. So, here it is. I will replace with LED. So, I'm gonna use a tool like this, which is just very thin, as you can see. And with the tool, you just go over here, zoom a little bit, like here, as you can see, and you press it like this, and it's just come out, as you can see, and then you can put it back like this. Very easy. From the side, from the right side, you press it. You press from the right side like this, and it comes out. Very easy. You change the lamp, and you are ready to go. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want.